Hello, traders. Hope you guys are well. So today I want to speak about order book. It's one of the things that people maybe don't fully understand how the order book works in cryptos and in any market. But today I'm just going to use the example in cryptos. I'm going to bring up an exchange. I'm going to show you exactly what it is. Now, before I do, for those that are kind of watching this thinking, I don't even know what an order book is. Well, essentially, it's basically buy and sell orders in the market. Okay, that's what it is. It's buy and sell orders in the market. So if we were to place an order to sell at a higher price or buy at a lower price, that will just sit in the order book. Okay, so let me just show you. It's easier to see. So if I just do a share screen, it will be much easier to kind of understand. Right, so let's take Bitcoin here. So I've just brought up Binance here, and you can see here. This is here the order book that you can see in front of you. Now, what this basically shows is it shows you now you can kind of break it down to sell orders, buy orders, or just see both. So, for example, if I went just buy orders. If I want to sell, I'm going to be looking at these orders here. Okay. So let's say, for example, I've got, I've got 200 Bitcoins to sell, right? For example. And so if I want to sell 200, you can see here that there's 161 available for someone to buy at 60,000. Now it's 198. So if that goes over 200, so you can see there, look, it's now 205. So there's 217 buys. So what will happen is if I go sell 200 at 60,000, it will automatically fill me because, well, firstly, you'll get filled on the better price. So I'll be able to sell if there's a better price, I'll be able to get some of that filled. But this here will tell me how many willing buyers there are at each price point. So if I want to sell at 61,000 at the moment, there's no bids at 61,000. Okay, so the price has to go up. So we need to have some orders here. So there's going to be some orders that come in at 61,000, and then I can then do a swap with them. So also on the sell side, you can see here. Basically, if I want to buy Bitcoin, right? Say if I want to buy at 60,000, well, there's people willing to sell it for me for 60,300, but there's no 60,000. Or if I want to buy it at 59,000, again, what will happen is my order will just sit at 50. So here, you see here, it says 59,000. There's 162 people at this moment. Well, if I put an order to buy 10 Bitcoins, at 59, this would become 172. So then there has to be some people willing to sell it to me at 59,000. And that's essentially the rough and ready explanation of what an order book is. Now, where it's quite useful is that you can sometimes, especially with the smaller coins, you can see gaps. So, I haven't got anything prepared, but sometimes you can see where there's going to be a gap. So like, I don't know, let's just see if we can choose a random one that maybe is not a huge, let's say BLZ. There's not a huge, this is still quite, well, anyway, this is not a good example because there's not a gap, but sometimes you'll see gaps between sell and buy prices, and you can see like how a price is going to jump because there's no, there's no in between. But you can see here, this is like the difference between the sell and the buy is very, very tight here. There's literally a minimal difference. It's pretty much zero, and the difference is there, hardly anything. So, but sometimes on the smaller coins, you will get a gap, and you can actually take advantage of that gap. So hopefully that gives you a good explanation of what an order book is. Just wanted to share that because it's something that I've been asked quite a few times, and I've been meaning to do a video on it, and I thought, well, better do it now than never. So Hope that helps. Have a good trading day, guys, and I'll catch you again soon with another video. Take care.